Welcome to the Nourishment Hut, your go-to place for exploring the power of natural remedies. Before we begin, it's important to note that while we delve into the world of nature's bounty, we're not advocating for self-diagnosis or self-treatment. Our content is intended for informational and educational purposes only, and should not replace professional medical advice, nutritional advice, fitness advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We encourage you to use this information as a starting point for your research and discussions with healthcare professionals. Always consult with a qualified health provider for any health concerns. Remember, every individual's health needs vary, and personalized guidance from a medical expert is essential for making informed decisions about your health and well-being. By accessing and using our content, you acknowledge and agree to the terms of this medical disclaimer. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of natural remedies, starting with the magic of castor oil. Ever wondered how to combat common health issues without resorting to synthetic pharmaceuticals? Can natural remedies really help? Indeed, the answer lies in the wisdom of our ancestors who relied on nature's bounty for healing. One such potent remedy is the humble castor oil, a plant extract with a rich history of medicinal use. It's not just a fad, it's a time-tested solution that our bodies recognize and respond to. Today we dive into the world of castor oil, a time-tested natural remedy with astounding health benefits. Castor oil, extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been used for centuries for its health benefits. Let's delve into the magic of this remarkable oil. Firstly, it's a boon for digestive health. Thanks to its unique properties, castor oil aids in digestion and provides relief from constipation, ensuring a smooth and regular bowel movement. Next, let's talk about skin health. Castor oil's hydrating properties make it a natural moisturizer. It's a godsend for individuals grappling with skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, imparting a soothing effect and promoting skin healing. Moving to hair health, castor oil is a potent elixir for your tresses. It not only promotes hair growth, but also prevents hair loss, ensuring your locks stay lush and vibrant. The magic doesn't end there. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent remedy for arthritis and joint pain, providing much-needed relief and comfort. Moreover, regular use of castor oil can help boost the immune system. It fortifies your body's natural defenses, keeping you healthy and robust. For those struggling with dry and irritated eyes, castor oil can be a soothing solution, providing relief and comfort. Finally, acting as a powerful laxative, castor oil helps to relieve constipation, ensuring a healthy and happy digestive system. These are just a few of the many health benefits that castor oil has to offer. So, there you have it, the power of castor oil. It's not just an ordinary oil, but a multi-purpose natural remedy that can work wonders for your health. Let's take a quick recap. Firstly, castor oil is a friend to your digestive system, helping to keep things running smoothly. Secondly, it's a boon for your skin, offering hydration and protection. Thirdly, it's a natural tonic for your hair, promoting growth and health. Furthermore, it's an anti-inflammatory powerhouse, helping to soothe and heal. It also boosts your immunity, strengthening your body's natural defenses. Your eyes too can benefit from this wonder oil, as it helps keep them healthy and moisturized. Lastly, it's a natural laxative, aiding in regular bowel movements. In summary, castor oil is a versatile natural remedy, offering a range of health benefits. Remember, the key to a healthier life might just be hiding in your kitchen cabinet. So why not give castor oil a try? Thank you for joining us today at the Nourishment Hut. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, like our video, and share with family and friends. Have an oilicious day.